Why are you touching my stuff? Why you took my stuff?
Make sure you keep those doors locked. This lady looks like she's on one.
1258.
Check this guy out. Doesn't seem like he's doing too well. He's knocking on random doors, not knowing where he's at.
Hello?
Alright, man. Okay.
Is
Yeah, hi, shit, I don't even know. Man, I'm sorry, bro. Man, no, I'm sorry. Wow. I'm
can you lock
sorry.
your
I don't even
property?
know why I knocked in.
Can you lock your
Huh?
property, please?
Oh, yeah, yes. By all means. Wow. What the hell?
We got a door checker here. Let me know in the comments if you're buying her story.
Hey, can I help you?
Hi, yes. I was coming up. I'm from a different town, not far from here, but I'm just going through a lot with like domestic abuse and things like that. And I just needed to. I got some numbers for some shelters, but I just need somewhere. I don't know if I can get some help.
Check this lady out. We have another tweaker here. Kids, please say no.
Please. I'm desperate.
Hi. It may take a moment to answer. Please wait.
Please. Oh my God, I'm freaking out. You'd be freaking out too. Please. I need help. Please. Tens of millions. They're gonna shoot me right now. Please. Can I come here? Shoot me. Please. I'm desperate. Tens of millions of dollars. Please, can I come in for a minute? Please, I'm desperate. They're gonna. Please, you're right here. Please. I know I look crazy right now because they're gonna shoot me right now. Those people right there. Look at right there. They're gonna kill me. Please. I'm desperate. Please, I'm desperate. I know I look crazy because I'm dehydrated and I'm terrified.
That's more than dehydration.
Please, I'm desperate. What?
Wouldn't let her in either. She probably tear up the whole house and smoke it out. The help she needs is rehab. This is an example of why you can't trust the people that come to your door.
I'm doing some scrubbing, and I was wondering, I seen a rim right here, just a singular rim, by the trash. Is there any way? I just want to know if I can have it.
No.
No? Okay. No. Thank you.
No.
I'm sorry. Do chicken live here? No. I'm sorry. Okay.
Let me know what you guys think about this one. What were these guys trying to do?
Excuse me. What are you doing? Why are you touching my mom's car?
We're looking for a direction.
Directions for what?
Some car, I call it some car that was selling right here, and we thought that was this one right here.
No, it's not this one.
So not this one?
Nope.
Hey!
What the hell?
Come on, man.
Message.
Oh, I was wondering, I was passing by and I sort of have an emergency. May I ask for your help for something?
Not sure if there's really an emergency here, but something tells me he will flash you as soon as you open this door.
You're at the wrong house.
Huh?
You're at the wrong house.
Oh, I was just gonna ask for some help because I seen that you had a doorbell and it's just I had an emergency and I need help. No one is helping.
Yeah, no, the police are on their way.
Okay, I'm sorry for disturbing.
Fuck, bro. Fuck.
Hi, can I help you?
I don't mean to bother. I'm just trying to use I just need a cell phone. I just got robbed.
No, we're not home.
Oh, man. Alright.
This young man is harassing his homeowner. He seems to think he's owed something.
911. 911. Hey, send somebody. I got somebody out here. Next time I come back, I better have my shit.
These porch pirates need to be interviewed to see what's the infatuation with plants.
Excuse me. What are you doing on my front porch? Could you please leave the property?
You want the plant?
No. Please leave or I'll call the cops.
Make sure you get those packages ASAP, and also don't forget about your other delivery options.
Yo, can I help you? No, don't take my package. I can see you. You just stole my package.
Where the fuck is Mike? You guys have the main house truck. You unpainted it. You guys stole this fucking truck too. You used to be parked in my fucking goddamn apartment complex. Look, their goddamn fucking bell ringer. Where's Micah Brown? Find his mom. Does he live here? Micah Kevin Neston Brown. Oh, is that him outside?
Please try to be aware of your surroundings out there. Too bad in this case, you couldn't really do much. He was boxed in. If ever in a situation like this, I advise just give up whatever you have and just leave with your life, at least.
Bitch, what's the password? Alright, stop, come on. What's the password, bitch? Who went away? Man, hurry up, put that in there. Hurry up, man. Who went away? Hurry up. Y'all hurry up. We said hurry up. Alright, y'all. 13, go back. Who's that? I'll get your ass in the red. Come on, let's go. Come on, get it. Hold on, green, go back.
Oh, this is a nice house.
Check this guy out. What you think he got going on? He's barefoot, talking about he just came from the woods and he's looking for his dad and all type of stuff.
Oh my goodness. Auntie Rich.
Hey, how may I help you?
Oh, excuse me, sir. I'm just looking for my dad's address. I just got lost in the freaking woods, and I didn't mean to do that to myself. My apologies, bro. I just looked at your lock, and the numbers on it confused me, dude. I'm sorry, bro. You forgive me?
What's going on?
There's no issue, brother. Have a good day.
Please get those deliveries ASAP. I'm not sure why this man watches this guy ride off with his package.
Oh shit, you guys, there's a fucking. I think we have to ring the doorbell. What if this is in the house? Why would I lock the door? Do not knock or ring bell. Janae. Janae, this is in the house.
You just like stomp on it.
These kids may have the wrong house, but they're kind of being rude. This is the third time they've started and stopped this fight.
Don't just get down. Just get down. I didn't find a spawn.
What the hell is going on?
Oh wait, is that Effie?
What are you doing? Who are you?
We're Effie's friends.
Well, there's no empty here.
Oh, wrong house. Actually, bro, they said this was the house.
They were, sorry,
Oh my
sorry,
God, I'm
ma'am.
so sorry.
Wait, where are your parents? It's late for you to be out.
I don't know, but they're somewhere at the house. Oh my God.
What's your name? Okay, you know you're not ringing, and I'm gonna report this to the police.
Actually,
And I'll report your.
Don't forget to double check those doors. Also, don't leave any valuables or personal information in your vehicle. Don't forget about those other delivery options, PO boxes, Amazon lockers, and drop-off locations you could pick up from. Don't let these thieves get you. We have these doorbell cameras for a reason. Let's try to pay more attention to them. This lady comes onto this porch and treats us like a yard sale, but the free kind. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Is this guy really in danger, or is he trying to get somebody to come out?
Mr. Tyler, can you please call the police for me? This is my sons. Is they ask who did it? This is my sons who did it. Please.
What you think you doing? No. What are you doing? Don't take a picture of his ass. Oh, this motherfucker was trying to steal our packages off the porch. Yes, you is.
Oh, I'm on a scooter.
Exactly. What you looking for? Oh, he's stealing. Yeah, he was. Yeah, girl, he was opening the gate.
He got somebody package already on the thing. Let me see, cause my sister says, bitch. Go, see, hurry up. Let me see. What's that package?
Can I have that back, please? Thank you.
We got a crop top, barefoot visitor at the door, peeking through windows. Let's make sure we keep those doors locked. This guy comes into this man's yard thinking this is a yard sale.
What you doing, man? No. Put my shit down. This was out there. No, ain't no yard sale back here. Man, get the fuck out of my yard.
About to literally ring your doorbell, be like, give it to your neighbor. Like, you are so welcome.
Make sure you get those packages ASAP. Even the dog knows she's a piece of crap.
One out there, the tree right there. Mean ass whore! I'm gonna put it on every
mangoes? You're activating that for mangoes? Bro, just get the mango. If you're activating that for mango, get the mango. Go ahead, Bill. You're kidding. It's embarrassing.
I don't.
Go ahead. Get the mango. Get that one right there. Get that one right there.
Yep.
Get that mango. And I know you're lying.
You don't have to be mean. No.
Check this lady out. Looks like she came to have a good time. She brought some Zaza and some grabber. But you at the wrong house, baby girl. Not too sure why she puts this mask on.
They bring a peace offering.
Hey, yo, what the fuck you doing?
This man spots a thief trying to steal his neighbor's bike. He's able to scare him off.
Hey, what are you doing? Hey.
Common sense just isn't so common. I don't understand why you would try to urinate right in front of somebody's door.
Can I help you?
Yeah, I'm just trying to pee. I'm sorry.
Are you
Cause
serious?
I'll go somewhere else. I'm
Okay.
sorry. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Hey, what the fuck you want? Get the fuck out of here.
I'm trying to figure out how to get to the main street at New Year's.
Get the fuck out of here.
Damn, boy. Fuck.
Please make sure you keep
Yeah.
those doors locked. This guy's pretty strange. Not sure what he's looking for.
Okay. Whoop, whoop. Whoa. Woo.
Check this lady out. She tries to come onto this porch and pick out a pair of sandals, but gets interrupted.
Please leave them there. Excuse me, hello? What? Leave them there.
Oh, you want these?
No.
You want these white ones?
Yeah, no, leave them all there. Leave them all there. I'm going to call the police.
You want the white one? The white
one? All of them.
Okay. Well, I can't.
You're being recorded, ma'am.
I cannot hear you.
You are being recorded.
I can't hear you.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Can I help you? Get the fuck off my porch, bitch.
Really not sure what the obsession is with stealing plants. This guy gets away, but this lady in the next clip isn't so lucky. This lady pulls up and tries to steal grandma's decorations. Grandma comes out and she isn't playing about her plants.
Can I help you?
Yeah, I just wanted to see how you were. They're fine. Okay, thank you.
Hey, hey.
Hey, give me that one back. I was just gonna take them and try them in my house and bring them back. I was just gonna try them in my house. No, put them back. I was gonna bring them back. I was just gonna see how they were. Okay, I'm sorry. I don't give a shit. Okay, I just wanted to see how they were. You're stealing out of my yard. No, I didn't want to steal. I just wanted to get them back. Okay, I just wanted to see how they worked at my house. What do you think of them? They're fine. Yeah, I wanted to see if they worked in my house, and I would have bought them. I should have not. Hey, where'd you get them? Amazon. Okay.
This lady comes onto this porch looking for her man.
Can I help you?
Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments.
Yes, I'm looking for a guy named Peyton Brown.
Who?
Brown?
No, you have the wrong house, ma'am.
Okay, can I show you a picture and can you tell me if you know this guy?
What do you need?
I'm trying to find some information and I want to know if you know a guy named Bartolome de la Cruz.
No, I don't.
This guy.
No.
Oh, it's because I'm his wife and he's been up here a lot lately and I just want to know at this house 3905. That's what the address was pinning.
Not at my house. My husband wouldn't allow anything like that.
Okay, I don't want no problems. I'm just trying to find out if that's the truth because I need a divorce and he's not willing to sign it, and that's what I'm looking for.
Well, I'm sorry, ma'am, but you're looking at the wrong place.
All right, thank you, appreciate it, man.
Don't forget to lock up those bikes or try to bring them inside.
fucking bike back. Put that bike back. That's somebody they going everything.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
This lady scans the package as delivered, but takes it after. Good thing the owner was paying attention.
Oh.
Don't forget to keep those doors locked. Also, don't leave any personal information or valuables in your vehicle, just in case something like this happens.
No, it's about time.
Hey, call the cops. Hey, man. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. What's going on, man? I'm calling the cops on you right now. I saw you, bud. Yeah.
I see you. Took both of them motherfuckers. I said, I see you took both of them motherfuckers.
Imagine this happening to you every year.
Hello. Hello. Hey. Mira, ladrón. Me están robando. Oh, shoot. Yeah.
Check this guy out. Looks like he just got beat up.
Hey, I'm sorry, man. I was broke down. I just need a little help. Is there anyone around? Hey, I'll walk away, man. It's fine. Dude, I just broke down. I really needed some help, and if you guys are not around, that's cool, man. That's cool. Let's go.
Call a mechanic, man. I'm pretty sure no one in that house knows how to fix a car. Try to be careful with what you leave visible in your yard. It could attract thieves and porch pirates. Also, if you want to be brave and chase down porch pirates, I recommend you bring something with you, just like this guy.
Yo, dog, I'm gonna tell you right now, get the fuck away from my house. Get the fuck away from it.
Don't forget to grab those packages ASAP or try to redirect them somewhere else.
My packages back. I know somebody did not just go in front of my door and take my packages.
Not sure why this guy would open this man's door. All it takes is a knock.
You just sit my doorknob?
No, sir.
Oh, okay. What's up,
It
man?
is not. No,
What's
no.
going on?
Your door was just a little bit open already, but I would.
This is a great example of ungrateful family members who are not happy with where they are in life.
Hello?
Hey, mom, what Uncle Raymond talking about some, you wanted me to come back down here for what?
What?
What Uncle Raymond talking about some, you wanted me to come back down here for what?
I don't know what Raymond talking about there.
Well, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't got nowhere to go down here, and I'm stuck down here, so one of y'all trying to give me a ride or something down here?
Daryl,
Or leave
we told you to stay at Marlena's house. You didn't want to do that.
Stay at Marlena, I'm grown, what you mean? I'm trying to go, I'm trying to get the fuck from around
well,
here.
bye, Daryl. Bye.
I'm saying though, what was your point of telling me to come back down here though?
We were trying to help you out, Daryl. We were trying to help you
when I'm
by
living on
letting
the
you
fucking
stay
street.
at Marlena's house. Don't come to my house with all that.
By giving me something, I'm grown as fuck. I can find somewhere to stay.
So why you on my door?
You sound stupid.
Why you on my front door?
Man,
No, you sound stupid.
why you got me down
Daryl,
here?
get off my front porch.
Keep
Get
playing
off
me.
my front porch.
I know you got me in that life.
Get off my front
and you
porch.
playing. Why am I keep playing me? Fuck wrong with you.
Get off my property.
What's the address? 9236 Street.
Get off my property.
I don't think you got it on.
Yes, it is. Put my stuff down and get off my property. Get off my property. Whatever you got it.
What is it, Shane? A Toyota?
Hey, can I help you?
Check this guy out. He comes onto this patio and steals the whole patio furniture, even the dog bowl. Imagine pulling into your neighborhood and seeing this guy walking down the street with your patio set.
Get off of my property right now before I call the police. They're on the way.
Right now.
Get off.
I'm so sorry.
What's your name? Get off my property, please.
I got you.
Check this man out. Either he's on something or he really needs some sandals.